Good evening, my name is Pranal Taral. Today's date is 21st March 2022 and my today's topic is should teachers be friends with their student? There is a certain stigma that burdens students who are friends and with their teachers. Some people may calculate students' brown noses or teachers' grades, but their negative connotation that accompanies being nice to educate is ridiculation. Students should not teens get the much more out of an education if there is respect for teachers instead of decision authorities. When a student is friend with a teacher, it does not mean that the student stop treating the teacher. Listening authorities figure respect is a virtue that is mutually earned, and it's easier to develop east between two friends that two people's steroid to teacher feel like family by mentoring their students all year long. This relationship causes because of superiorities. Teachers feel like family. Their teachers, if friends, will visit a teachers that left a lasting impression on his or her life. Thinking mentors when someone has a problem. Typically, the first person he want to complain to and get advice. Best friend having a teacher as a close friend allows a student to comfortable talk to unbalanced and share of instantly to understood what's going on. There is further in life, but separated enough from the issues that one should not try to command action while still punishing their student in the right direction. Teachers can even influence career and interest. They are always a safe place to go to school when a student befriends a teacher. The classroom is open for early in the time. The teachers is the best friend of student, and also the student is the best friend of teacher. Teachers feel like family by mentoring a mutually earned, and it's easier to develop esteem between two friends that two people steroid to a friendship leads to mutual regret rather than one party commanding revenge because of superiorities. Teachers feel like family by mentoring their students all year long. When a student is friend with a teacher, it does not mean that the student stop treating teacher with listening authorities figure respect is a virtue that the negative annotation that accompanies being nice to educator. The nice to educator is ridiculous. Student should not other student for getting along with a teacher. teens uh, teens get much more out of an education if there is